Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by organizing. Import all clips into one bin and set a matching sequence preset so footage lines up. Once done, enable timecode or waveform view to compare files. This speeds visual alignment. Make sure you create dedicated audio and video tracks and label them clearly: Camera A, Camera B, External Audio. Now select the clips you want to sync and right-click to prepare for synchronization. This avoids accidental edits later and keeps the timeline tidy. Select the camera clips and the external audio, then choose Synchronize by Audio or by Timecode depending on what you have. Premiere will align waveforms automatically. If audio is noisy or clips fail to align, switch to Manual Waveform Matching. Zoom in, find a sharp transient, then nudge clips frame by frame. For multi-camera setups, use merge clips or create a multicam sequence. This preserves sync and lets you cut between angles quickly. Once aligned, check by playing a few seconds across edits. Now lock your synced clips into a multicam or a nested sequence so edits won't shift. This is what you'll cut from and export. Make sure to relink any offline media right away using replace footage if files were moved. If you notice sync drift over time, check that all clips share the same frame rate and time base. Interpret footage to correct mismatches. Alternatively, use tiny slip edits to realign. One tip: if automatic sync fails consistently, add a slate or clap on future shoots to save time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.